What's up guys, so on today's video I will be showing you how to fix your fidget spinner. So it spins like this and then it stopped, but this one, you see it? Yeah, that one, it popped out and then I put it back in, and then that's how it started being like this. Fast, doing this and this. Nope, I can't do that. But it literally spin like this and it stops, but now, yeah. I'm also doing a giveaway. If you remember, just subscribe and turn notifications, leave a like on this video, and give me your address in the comment section. And put in fidget spinner in the comment section, and that's how you get to earn a fidget spinner. So yeah, but this fidget spinner is not working. Never mind, it is working. But look at this one. Every time you spin it, I'm gonna put all my effort in it, and look what it's gonna do. Guys, see? I'm putting all my effort in it, but it can't spin. But when I do this, I'm putting effort in it, and it could still spin. Yeah. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, there's a giveaway. Give me your address in the comment section. Put in fidget spinner and subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications. Leave a like on this video, and that's how you get to earn one. So yeah, peace. Make sure to subscribe for the fidget spinners. Yeah, peace.